This part of the kayak project has been incredibly annoying. There's something about the space-time continuum right there on this part of the boat. I just cannot get a smooth surface on it. And today is my last attempt. Excuse me, sorry about that. I had to grind off everything, and I thought I was just gonna come out here and do a final coat of paint both sides. But no! In the right light, this thing looks perfect, but then you come in and look at it when the sun's coming through yonder window in the afternoon, and it just looked like crap, and I couldn't leave it. I don't expect the boat to be perfect. It's an old craft, been around, but it should look better than that. The other side, however, no matter what light you see it in, as you can see, it's not perfect, but it's pretty nice. It's okay. It's acceptable. But this side was just maddening. So anyway, put some more filler onto it. Got my heat gun blowing heat onto it. Should be dry in about 15-20 minutes, and I'm going to sand it off and paint it, and we'll get back to it. We'll see what it looks like then. Okay. Looks like I got it. Big improvement. Worth the extra time. All right, so here we are. Our moment of truth. Let's see how our line came out. Got a ridge on there. I guess I'll have to sand it off, but so far so good. A long time coming. Months and months of work on this boat. Not every day, but it's been on my mind since August. Can you believe that? And it's all coming together finally. So far, so good. Yeah, I'll have to do something about that ridge. It's a little funky right there. Oh, I can say, oh, that looks terrible, but it's just the tape is stuck on there. That was the worst part of the boat right there, because of the extra time I put into it. Now it's one of the best parts. Piece piece of tape left down there, isn't there? Oh, look at that. We got a little overspray. All right, I can fix that. I did use a little spray paint up here. How about that? It actually got up underneath the tape. Look at that. But that's on the blue. I can fix that easy. In fact, I think I'll fix it right now. There. All fixed. Overspray is gone. Look at that beautiful boat, would ya? Isn't she a beauty? Come on, admit it. She's wonderful. Look at this boat. Woo! Love it. It's a long road. Oops, almost fell over. Yeah. Nice when a plan comes together. Got varnish on the inside today. Did that too. So what's left to do is to get the tape off my shoes, because I have to make this little hatch right here, and I got to put the rigging back on it. But the paint and all the filler, geez, incredible. Look at this, huh? That's annoying. All the filler and fiberglass and epoxy and paint is done. And it came out wicked good. Thanks for sticking with me on this. We got a little bit more to do, and I'll be making more movies about that.